there. Hey, I'm Ryan. And videographer is Christopher. And not that guy over there.
That's me.
Hey, get away from here. Get Hobo. And I'm going to show you guys how to do a trick called the helicopter. And this is a very important trick on your way to getting to success. First, you want to start with the idle. You want to learn that trick first by somebody else because I don't have a video of that. So you want to start off with the idle. And you want to push and pull. Push and pull. You want to push your left stick away from you. And you want to pull your right stick in while holding it. So when you do that, it'll get more and more speed and it'll keep going. Like watch my hand stick.
Down the potatoes.
The hobo really likes potatoes. So ready? So you push, pull, push, pull, push, push, pull. And once you get really good at pushing, pull, you can
push, pull.
You can do your own technique. Like I don't really push and pull. I just kind of go like that. Sorry, I dropped it there. I just kind of go.
Remember, push and pull.
Go like that. So like once you get there, you can just kind of hit it back and forth instead of pushing and pull. But pushing and pulling.
Look. I
But
found
this
the
is what you
soap.
could do. But this is hey. This is something that you can do. So push, pull, push, pull. And
Let me take that before I open
And
it.
once you can do that, then you can do like gain speed. Oh, the helicopters, the rotors are gaining speed. More speed.
The hobo.
More speed. Even more speed. Lift off. And then it goes like a real helicopter do. And if you screw up, the helicopter crashes. And when helicopters crash, that's not a good thing. It makes a big noise. Like, look at this. Sound effects, Troy.
Oh!
And then
Ryan, where's the beanie baby go?
Let's do another one again.
Where's the beanie
Let's
baby
do
go?
another one. It's over.
Lift off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Boom.
Oh, crash.
And remember, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull. Or if you would do this, push, pull, work out, guys. Push, pull, push, pull, pull. And then once you can do that, you can go. We can take that. And you pushing and pulling will help you in your success. Push, pull, lift off. Oh, you hit something.